are off. Day one.
We made it! In the car.
There we go. Everything's packed. The Jeep feels heavy. So we're finally all in our group. We've met up with everybody. I'm in the back. There's the yellow Jeep in the lead, the white Jeep in the middle, along with the blue Toyota, and then of course us in our Jeep XJ Cherokee. And we're on Highway 2 heading west towards the Olympic Peninsula of Washington. The change of plans. We want to get out of the smoke, so that's why we're heading to the rainforest. Should be a good trip.
So that means I can have a long drive and I can sleep and then just watch this trip later.
That's right. And right now your view would be the back of Tony Demonstrating. On to the ferry. Is this your first time on a ferry?
Yes.
How you feel?
I've never been on a boat.
Never been on a boat before?
No.
No?
Right out here. Where that bird is.
Has dolphins?
When we went to St. Lucia, we were going over to Beckwith. There were a couple of dolphins. There's one over there.
All right, Ash.
Oh, I see a jellyfish.
Oh, down there? Jellyfish?
Oh, wow. We're moving.
Here we go.
Yippee! We're moving.
No, I don't know. Might have caught it.
We're like 32 miles. Yeah,
Cheese!
What is that?
That's whale vomit.
Whale vomit?
It could be the other way.
Whale poop? Ew, gross!
Alright, we're gonna go back to our cars.
I guess we turned one spot too quick.
Next one. Darn.
So here we are. We have finally gotten off-road after quite a few road miles, and all the Jeeps are here. Here's my XJ. We're airing down right now. Here is the two-seater, well, two-door Wrangler, a four-door Rubicon, and a four-door Tundra. So Asta, did you have to do any special things for this trip? Modifications?
Yeah, look at the back of my Jeep. Is that any modification?
So he's got an extra carrier with lots of stuff on it. Looks like he's got his fuel can just in case. And he's going to air down his tires as well. So Tony, did you guys have to do any special modifications for this trip?
No.
No? You were ready to go? Just the canopy?
And nothing to the side. Yeah, no, we don't have anything.
Did you buy anything for this trip that was something specific for off-road that you didn't have before?
To let the tires out.
Oh, the pieces for airing down?
And the compressor. We bought that a while ago.
Oh, good.
You built a platform for the bed.
Yeah.
Oh, so you have your bed in the back now?
Yeah.
Do you have storage underneath it too?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Clothes, kitchen stuff, so we can just pull it out. Our chairs are back there. Just kind of, yep. Throw it all in the back. We got the room.
Good. Good.
I think about the 5th day, we feel pretty good about setting up and breaking camp. We'll know exactly what we need to do to get it done.
What things you do and do not need to actually take out of your rig.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And in what order?
It is hot.
I'm surprised how warm it is here.
Everything feels dry, which is weird for...
We were thinking we were going to have not dusty roads because here we're over on the Peninsula, so maybe we kind of wet roads. But I'm not complaining. I'm really glad that the sun is shining and it's not windy.
Alright, so after about 3 hours of being on the rear view mirror, I broke it, so the rear view mirror's off. So now I have to hold it, at least until I can find super glue to glue the rear view mirror back on. Anyways, so far, 1 minute onto this dirt road, it's pretty good. What'd you find?
Found some thimbleberries on the side.
Woo!
The whole side of the road.
Man, they suck.
They're kind of tart.
Can we get out and get some?
So we pulled over. There's some thimbleberries everywhere. Ripe, ready to go. And Zakashtan ate all of them I had in my hand. But it was good. You want more? Yeah, yeah. Well, I'll have to see if I can get some more.
This is a perfect view for a camp spot. It's a little rough on the ground, but I think it's a good sacrifice. See over there, you can see Mount Baker, I believe that is over there in the distance. What do you think?
It's beautiful. Awesome. Amazing.